Good day, guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So today we're going to be doing a special video. So today we're going to be focusing on the pairs that were chosen by our public members. So if you haven't joined our public group, you can just check the link in the description box. And then you can also follow us on Instagram at YVNT_ZA. So today we're going to be looking at Nasdaq, US30, GU, gold, and NZDUSD. So those are going to be the 5 instruments that we're going to be looking at. So let's get to it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. And let's go. Nasdaq. Okay, cool. Nasdaq. What can we expect from Nasdaq this week? Okay, so as we can see, the market is bullish, right? The market is giving us higher highs and higher lows. We recently broke this high there, and then we created a new high, and now we've got price pushing back and then pulling back, giving us a double bottom. So we can expect price to continue pushing up, on Nasdaq. And then here, for those that bought last week Friday and held, this can be the TP1 and it's going to be like TP2. But as from Monday, from tomorrow, this is the 4-hour overall direction that I'm looking at, right? So we have this area, and then so I can expect price to come back around this area, just to push up here. And then if we break, I will expect a rejection around this high. And from there, we can expect price pushing back a little bit if you are going to continue this rally, and then we can push it upside. Or what can happen is, just delete this. I just want to keep things simple. So we have this double bottom here, and then we have this area here, right? And we're coming from this uptrend. We have this higher low. We respected this higher low here. So market open on Monday. We can let's wait for price to react where it is now, either to push to the upside and like give us signs of what's going to happen. Either we're going to break the upside, retest and push up, right? Or is price going to reject, and then we can start getting signs that price will push back to this area, and this maybe can become a range before we can continue moving, So on Monday, what we can expect is that let's wait until price either move to this highs or move to these lows. When price moves to these lows, what we can expect is for price to break, come back, give us a retest, and then we're gone. And then if price doesn't break these areas, and then we can start looking for rejections and buying the lows. And with our TP here, TP1 here, TP2 there. So I will suggest that where price is at, we currently do nothing, but let's just see what we can get on lower time frame. Selecting get on one time frame. This price is ranging. Yeah, for me, it's a waiting game on Nasdaq. So on Monday, let's wait before we can do anything. So that's gonna be it on Nasdaq. We're currently in a range. Let's wait for price to react, and then we can start taking trades. Either we're gonna buy the lows, sell the highs, or break retest buy to continue with this uptrend, or for price to break, retest, and then we start selling this movement to the downside. So that's what we're going to do on Nasdaq. Wait for price to either break, retest, or come back to this area, give you rejections, signs that we're going to push the upside, and then start buying the market. Or wait for price to push up, give you signs for rejections, and then we start selling. Or if price breaks, wait for price to come back, retest, and then buy the market on these areas, and then we continue. Keep it simple as that. So that's how we're going to be looking at. That's what we're going to be expecting on Nasdaq Monday. So this is it on Nasdaq. Let's go to US30. Go to US30. And for this has been a ranging market, kind of similar to Nasdaq, but this is much clearer that it's ranging. And I'm just delete my drawings. US30 is kind of clear that it's ranging. You can see here we have this area and we have these highs. Same thing. We recently broke these highs here, and now we have this new high, and we are in this bullish market. So what can happen now is we're just waiting for price to break out of this range. It's either we want to push the downside to retest, and then we sell, and then we go, or price, as we can see now that price moved down, up, down, up, and now currently respecting this area here, So we don't know if this price is gonna hold that long. We can expect price to push down to break this area, and then come and retest, and then we push down. We can expect that on Monday, and in terms of buys, we can either buy these lows. Price has already moved here. Price has already moved in this range. So buying here gonna be a bit like not worth it for me. For me, it's not worth it. Like stop loss is too high, and then besides this, what we can also expect is for price at least to push back up, and then we're gonna see what's gonna happen around here. Is this area going to hold? Then we push price down, and then if this area doesn't hold, it breaks. We wait for what? For price to come back and retest, and then we buy the market. That's what we're gonna be waiting for. That's what we're gonna be waiting for on US30. Keeping things simple, guys. We're keeping things simple, right? We know that we're coming from an uptrend, but now what we're focusing on is this lows and these highs, right? So this is where we're gonna get the signs of where price is about to go now. So either we break, retest, sell, or we've been getting this rejection. Price is about to push up, and then we're gonna see how price is going to react at these highs. And then if it holds and then give us signs for sells, then we're taking this range, selling the highs. But then if we break this area, let's wait for price to come and give us a clear indication that it's ready to go up. And then we buy this market. Simple as that. Simple as that. That's gonna be US30. So let's look at GBPUSD, GBPUSD. Allow this pair. Oh wait, I didn't go on US30. I didn't go to 1 hour. Did I? No, I didn't. just to look at to see what we see on 1 hour. Same thing for me on 1 hour. It's going to be a waiting game for me. I'm going to wait. We have sold these highs and lows, like sold on Monday, we bought, sell, buy, sell. So it's about time we break out of this area. So I'm going to wait and see what price is going to do. Even on 1 hour, doesn't give me something to work with. So we're still in the range. Let's wait for signs on what this price will do. But then if we start getting signs here to sell, we can sell it. And if we are taking out on break even, let's just know that let's expect that also, that there's a high chance that we might be taken out and break even here. You know, price might do that, retest, sorry, reject, and then start rejecting, and then when it pushes down, after we have entered our sell, and then when price is around here, we move our stop loss to break even, and then price just decides to come and break this area, and then, you know, so that can also happen. But let's wait and see tomorrow how price is going to react between these two areas. But for now, it's just a waiting game. When market open, don't do anything until price give you something to work with. So let's go back to GU. USD. For, so on GU, so GU now, the market has been bullish this week. It's been a nice uptrend. No, a nice uptrend. And then also push up, retest it. And on GU, market is giving us high highs and high lows. No, broke here, we retested, we broke. Rejections. We didn't retest, but could have bought that. And we're currently here. Yeah. In GU, we're currently here. So as we can see, we just broke this resistance. Let's see how price is going to react. So as we already see the price, that price is rejecting. But I would like to work with this one here. This area here. So as we can already see, that price is rejecting here. Market open, I can take this buy. Put my stop loss below here. And then a buy stop here. Put my TP at these highs. I think that's going to be like a 1 to 3. Yeah. This trade, I can take this one. It's going to be like a 20 pip stop loss. Yeah. 2.8%. That's 2.8%, almost 3%. Yeah, risking 1% to make 3%. This I can take on market open. Let's go to 1 hour. That's what I'm like actually seeing on GU. Nothing difficult, or it's just a simple market structure. It's already rejecting. So market open, you can just wait. Because normally when the market open, the spread sometimes gaps. So I can just wait for at least that first hour and see how things gonna be like, and then I can take this buy. You know, that's a clean buy. Sorry, buy. It's a clean buy, but I can retest. We're starting seeing rejections here, and prices in an uptrend. You know, we're in this bullish market, so why not take it? There's only one way to find out. If we're taken out, it's fine. We will not get another trade. But on Monday, we can take that. There's also a high chance that when the market open, price can just shoot to this area and then maybe start giving us rejections here. before we can continue. But that's why I say I'm gonna first see that first 1 hour, 2 hour after market open, or maybe let's say 30 minutes, just to see what happens at the time. And then I will see if I'm gonna take the buy from here or from here, depending on what happens. If the market gaps, and then at least I can know that, okay, maybe price will push until here before we can start pushing to the upside. So on GU, that's what I'm expecting on market open. I'm gonna be watching this one. Looking for take buys. I don't have any reasons to take sells, so I'm looking to take buys. Stop loss around 23 pips, just to be safe because of spread around the time, Asia session, and then TP 70 pips. So just pause the video, maybe just to check the entry price, and then you can just take the trade, guys. Let's take this one. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna be taking this trade. If you are a GU fan, let me know. Let me know what you think. Do you see the same thing or what? Let me know in the comments. Maybe we can take this trade together and market open. Okay, now let's go to clean. I was waiting for gold to break, which it did, and now it's coming back to retest. So same thing on gold. I won't even analyze gold, guys. Come on, guys. I'm waiting for prices. There's this area here which price has rejected, but let's buy this market. Let's buy this market, guys. Buy this market and see where gold is going to leave us. So just like kind of show you what I was expecting on gold. So gold has been ranging last week for me. When I get to the market, it was ranging around this area. So I was expecting price to either like push the upside, give me a retest, and then I buy the market. And which it did. We have this break, and then we rejected these highs. Remember, we're in a range, like we've been in the range. So now I just got now this retest here. I'm expecting to buy. I was expecting gold to push back and retest, and I can buy. But I didn't see this move on Friday, and I don't like holding trades over the weekend, so that's why I didn't check. So now we have price pushing back, and then we're coming from these highs. So we have been broken out of this range. So taking this trade might be risky because now there's this level which gold can go to when the market opens. There's this level where price can go to. So this means I must wait. Or if I take this trade, I must make sure that I don't risk. I risk at least 0.5%. Yeah, not 1%, 0.5% to take this trade with my TPB. Yeah, let me just go to 1 hour. I think that's what I want to do on pound. Let me just risk 0.5%. Let's see. Okay, and it's rejecting nicely on 1810. It's more like 800. Yeah, it's more like 1800. So just see. Taking this with a buy stop. Nah, it's not worth it for me. What's this? 2.4%. Yeah, 2.3%. No, that's fine. I can take this one. 2.3%, yeah, with the buy stop. And then same as GU, the buy stop, and then with my stop loss below structure, and then we can we can buy and hold and see. Then we'll say that's gonna be gold. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting on gold. Simple buy, break and retest, price rejecting, buy stop around here, stop loss below structure, and then with my TP at the highs. Simple as that. So that's what I'm going to be expecting on gold. If you are going to be taking out, I know that price, I see price coming here. That's why I'm going to risk half a percent, because there's a high probability that price might just push and come to 70.95, you know, to these lows here. Because remember, we're in a range. So there's a high chance that price might come. There's a high chance that price might come here, but that won't stop me from taking my buy. You know, the only thing that will stop me is me being taken out, and then, which is I will come and see what price will react here. If we want to break, retest, and then we're looking for sales, and then we're going to continue. But now, currently now, I'm looking at this nice buy opportunity in front of me with my TP on these highs. And then if we break here, I might close partial profits and expect price retest, and then another position here, and then we go. So that's going to be it on gold. That's what we're looking for on gold. Let me know if you're a gold trader, what you're expecting on gold. Let me know guys in the comments. Okay, now let's go to the last one, which is NZDUSD. Okay, yeah, it's been a while. Okay, oh, guys, normally then we look at this pair, but let's see. Okay. So now we have this high. Just broke this high, and we have these lows here that's holding. I wonder, and we have this area, you know. So what I can expect here is, because also, yeah, for me, we are ranging, you know, like we are just ranging. So this is not giving me enough information to work with, you know, because now we are, and then over I can expect maybe price to come here, reject, but then we have also this area. So on GU, GU, NU, I will say it's a waiting game for me, because the same risk that I saw on gold, the same risk that I see here, you know. So I would rather take gold, and at least I'm used to gold and its volatility. So NU, we can the only time we can look for buys here is when we get rejections. The moment we get enough information to work with, rejections, then we can start looking for buys, and it's going to be a double bottom. So yeah, that's what you can expect here. Look out for rejections, and then we can start buying. And then if we spike to these areas and start rejecting here, I won't waste time to take buys. I'm going to take my buys. The moment we get a spike to this area, and then we start rejecting, we're taking buys here, and then then we're pushing it to the upside. And this is about 30 pip move. It's about 30 pip move. Yeah. So on NZDUSD, in buy here or here. So here it was a double bottom, same structure as gold. And then, or if price breaks, rejections here, and then we take our buy. So that's what we're gonna be expecting on NZDUSD, guys. So yeah, and then with my TP at these highs and here, you know, and then if I buy here, when price breaks this area, I'll move to break even, and then let my trade to be free, you know, risk free. So that's gonna be it on all the pairs that we're looking at. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you want us to look at your pair, you can just comment below or join our public group. The link's gonna be shared in the description below. And also follow us on Instagram, YVNT_ZA. And we'll catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.